from this to this. Stay with us to see how we did that just in a few minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to clean exhaust tips guys. Exhaust tips that are terribly bad, that haven't been cleaned for probably 5 to 10 years. We will show you how to make them like brand new again. Make sure to stay until the end guys, you won't be disappointed. Quick introduction to the channel guys. Every car we get at the shop, we will make at least 200 videos because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video guys, leave a comment below and let us know what you think about the results. Let's start on it now. So this is guys the exhaust tip. You can see what it looks like, pretty bad. What we're using now guys, okay, you need to just wash it and then we'll be using guys Turtle Scratch Repair and Renew Wax. Okay, that thing is amazing guys, okay, we've been using it for so many different projects and it works amazing. You can find a link in the description of the video below guys for your convenience. So what we usually get, okay, we get a little bit of wax, okay, turtle wax, and we're going to apply a little bit, okay, on a quart, and we're just going to polish the tip. And if you still have something left guys, I'll explain what you need to do and how to restore it. Because tips that haven't been cleaned for many years, okay, they can develop rust, okay, they can develop burn spots, and almost all that is gone guys usually. So we'll explain how to do that now. You can see how much better it started looking already. Okay, towards right here we have a little bit we need to get later. And we're going to apply a little bit more, but you're going to notice guys, okay, quite a bit of improvement. However guys, okay, it still needs some attention, and we'll share a little secret with you what you can do to old tips guys. Okay, let's buff it quick and I will grab the materials and show you what else we'll be using. Next guys, we're going to take 3000 sandpaper. Okay, we found the best deal online on sandpaper, so check out the link guys, and just clean water guys. And with that 3000 grit sandpaper, we're going to start, okay, we're going to start sanding the tip, the spots that are bad. Okay, and you can see, okay, that brown stuff, okay, that's the film coming off. That's just amazing. It's going to make it like brand new again. Because tips guys that are terribly bad, they won't clean super easy with wax, no matter what you do. You will have to do some fine sanding. That's how it is even when you restore faded paints and things like that. You might need to do some wet sanding in order to get the perfect results. Okay, we're going to dry it. We will inspect the results and see if we need to do any more. So we just have a few more spots that we're going to touch up, and we're going to dry it, wax it again, and see what it's going to look like after that. You want to do that lip on the front, usually you have really bad spots there. Okay, let's dry it now, and we're going to go ahead, get a little bit of more wax, okay, again, wax it now, bring that shine out of it, and we'll see the end result in just a few seconds. Okay, just clean it really good, buff it by hand. You don't even need to use any special tools, drills or anything like that with buffing pads. You can just do them by hand. I would recommend to use gloves guys when you do that stuff. Get a microfiber towel, polish it towards the end. Okay, and check this thing out. It's like a brand new tip again. That's crazy, right? How bad it was, what it looks like now. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.